Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In today's video, I'm gonna dive deep on the topics of animation. So, first of all, what caused animation being failed? So, why your video or why your animation failed? So, the first one could be one of the part you want to move is fully locked. Let's take the robot as an example. If I fully lock this arm, let's say ground, we go to environment, studio, animation, go. So straight away we will get the message, model has failed to update for the current time. This is because one of the party is fully locked, it can't move. Okay, so if we release that, another thing could be too much constraint. So if I put one of the constraint on the box, so put more constraints, say the tip, the point, this point to the table. Let's say maximum. I'm not sure whether I can do 2 mils. Okay, I put on the maximum limit of the distance between the fish box, which is the red one, and the surface of the table is 2 mil. Let's do the animation again. The same. As soon as the animation starts, the limit was hit. So you will get the alarm again. This is either one of the part is fully locked, or you put too many constraints on one of the part. Okay, let's remove the last constraint. Delete. Another thing could be during the movement of the mechanism. So for example, this particular case is the robot. If the robot tried to reach the point, it couldn't because the physical limitation, you will get the same alarm. Let's go to let me do the demonstration to you. Cylinder. So at the moment, I will show you which point is already very close to the limit. What did I do? Okay, this point is already very close to the limit, you can see. If at that point of time the cylinder is not fully retracted, that means the robot will try to move even higher, so it will fail. So if we go to the cylinder, we move the cylinder from 0.5 seconds to a little bit late. Okay, and we do the simulation. We do the animation. You can see it reaches the maximum position the robot can reach at the moment. So, okay, this is the second point I want to explain why the animation fails. Let's move the theme back. And the second topic I'm going to talk about is what makes animation happen. The first of all is the animation is achieved via changing the hard constraint value during different periods. Okay, so the cylinder one is the typical example. That's what I did in previous video. So you can see from 0.3 second to 3.4 to 3.7 second, that particular period, the cylinder is asked to, the rod is asked to move between from 0 mils to 250 mil. So this hard constraint values varies, can make the animation happen. Okay. All right, the second one is the important one. I haven't demonstrated in my previous lesson, but I'm going to do now. So let's finish this animation. Let's assuming we're going to put the red box into the carton one. And I want to lift the cylinder up, the rod up, but by doing so, I have to detach the red box and the plate, the pink plate. If I'm not doing so, the red box will be lifted up altogether. Okay, so first of all, I needed to increase the animation period from maximum 10 seconds to 15 seconds. Click OK. Then we go to the fish box, vacuum cups. Okay, so we put the constraints due into the animation, then we select the attachment. So now we press suppress, that means disable. So at second 10, the constraint will be suppressed or say disabled instantaneously. We select OK. So what we can see, this is new suppression element here. This is the new one. Then we are going to add another constraint of the rod one. Insert. Let's say specify from 10 seconds to duration is 5 seconds. We get a 15 seconds. Okay. Now, I did two things. One is detach, the other one is lift the rod of the cylinder. Let's see the animation. Lift up, placing, then it should drop now. Lift up of the cylinder. Beautiful. So this is the demonstration of animation being controlled by switching on and off of constraints. Okay, this is my today's video. If you like my video, please subscribe. That's gonna be my initiative for creating more videos or say tutorial for Inventor animation. Thank you very much, and see you next time.